As a career coach and a former recruiter, here are 3 things that you can do to enhance your overall experience on LinkedIn and ensure that recruiters will start reaching out to you more. Number 1, sign into LinkedIn daily. If you're on the job hunt and you're wanting recruiters to reach out to you, signing in every day and being active on LinkedIn is the number 1 thing that you should be doing. Number 2, respond to all messages that you get from recruiters, even if you're not interested in the actual job, and especially if they come with the little InMail that's written on there. This will show that you are more likely to respond, and with the algorithm and how LinkedIn works, they will show your profile to more recruiters because you are more likely to respond. So this gets you showing up in more searches. And number 3, obviously keywords. Sprinkling keywords throughout your entire LinkedIn profile will help you show up in more searches because recruiters are on LinkedIn every single day trying to find candidates for their roles, and they're searching by specific keywords. Make sure that there are a lot of great keywords as to not only the role that you're in now, but what type of role you want to get into, and put those on your LinkedIn profile. You'll show up more in searches. Follow along for more career tips.